Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, happy Louis Vuitton Day. You know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest and up and coming Louis Vuitton bags. And you know our practice here, I'm going to share everything that you need to know from the product names, prices, SKU, product features, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones or laptop to take a screenshot for your reference. And for orders and availability, kindly check with your CAs. So please make sure you stay until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Also, kindly like and share this video. I would really appreciate it. And follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Mermaid2 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright guys, so the very first collection that we are going to discuss would be released July 10th, 2026. First, we have the all-in size BB. Price is $3,100 USD. Material is the Empreinte embossed leather. Colorway is link quartz. So this is a bicolor design. Guys, zooming in on the Louis Vuitton monogram, it looks very chic and beautiful. It has like that mermaid rainbow effect. So beautiful LNBV with detachable leather strap. It would come with leather pochette as well. So next on the collection, we have the gorgeous Speedy 20. Price at $3,150 USD. We have the SKU here. So same material, and as you can see, this is the close-up view of the colorway. As you can see, the Louis Vuitton LV, and then of course the flower is in the link quartz bicolor design. As you can see, kind of reminds me of a mermaid or a unicorn. Of course, the Speedy 20 comes with a roll top handle and detachable leather chain strap for easy wear. Then of course guys, we have the very spacious carry all east-west. So price at $3,350 USD. We have the SKU here. So guys, the interior, as you can see, is in the lilac colorway. And of course, the outer part is made of the Empreinte embossed leather in the link quartz bicolor design. And of course, the strap is adjustable. It is made of leather. It would come, of course, with the leather bag tag with the LV silver logo as well. Then guys, we have the Madeline size nano. So please take note, this is a nano size bag. So it is a micro bag. So price at $2,850 USD. So it would come of course with the same feature. So this is the interior. The closure is an S-lock. Then once you open, it would reveal the lilac interior with slip pockets as well. So it would come with silver hardware with detachable chain leather strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright guys, so we are going to discuss a different collection now. First, we have this very beautiful Alma BB. So we have the SKU here since the price is not available. So this one is already launched June 2026. So please check the website and you'll see if interested in this very beautiful empreinte leather in the cream on cream colorway with gold hardware. I feel that the gold hardware complements well the cream colorway of the leather bag. Super cute, and of course, as you know, I am such a fan of the Alma BB. Then we have the all-in size BB. We have the SKU here as well. Material is embossed empreinte leather in the colorway cream. So this is the interior. Even the lining is also in the cream colorway. It would come of course with a small detachable leather pochette, and as you can see, the strap is fully detachable as well. It would come with a lock and key set as well. So this one, I'm not really sure of the safety of your bag because of course it's fully wide open. Then of course we have the Capucines Mini. We have the SKU here as well. So this one material is the Tyrolean leather with cowhide leather trims. So the colorway of this one are combination of quartz, wash blue, and snow. It would come of course with detachable leather strap and a detachable decorative chain strap. As we can see here, I love the decorative chain strap. So I feel it would be a very perfect accent, not just for the Capucines but any of our Louis Vuitton bags. Then guys, I would like to discuss this collection. So we have the key case multi-class 6. I believe this is a 6 key ring holder. As you can see when we're going to open, we have the SKU here. The material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is the baseball green. It would come of course with silver hardware. This collection guys would be launching July 9th 2026. So if you're interested, check with the website and your CAs immediately. Then we have the very beautiful coin card holder. We have also the SKU here, so please do take a screenshot. What I love about this coin card holder, it is very spacious, perfect, compact wallet. As you can see, there is a zippered compartment maybe for coins, and it has some slots for our cards and IDs. Of course, the material would be the monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is the baseball green. So are you seeing guys that there is a painting or photo of people playing baseball? So if you are such a huge fan of baseball, then maybe this will be the perfect SLG for you. Just like this very beautiful passport cover, priced at €385 or 505 USD. So guys, by the way, this collection would come in multiple colors. I believe the second color or combination would be in like a sand beige colorway. Then we have the green colorway as well. So next on the collection, so we have the medium notebook. So this one will be perfect for gifting. So of course the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior classic Louis Vuitton notebook, and this is the close-up view of the photos or slash print of the people playing baseball. So of course the colorway is just like a chartreuse or avocado green or a lime green also would be perfect description of the colorway of the monogram canvas. And then guys, how gorgeous is this slender wallet? So price is €480. Personally, this slender wallet would be perfect for my collection because this is the kind of wallet for me that I would really go for, because it's a bifold wallet, so you could store our bills, and of course it would have some slots for our credit cards and IDs, as you can see here. So I believe it has 8 credit card slots on each side. Happy shopping! There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramir52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!